family, this is Aki and welcome to Epic Recipe. So, if you already tired with chicken tandoori, chicken chili, chicken mealy, chicken changezi, chicken angara, chicken chingari, then this new Epic Recipes in-house dish chicken madhosh is just for you. I hope you will love this dish. And for this dish, what we need very first is definitely chicken and boneless chicken. So you need to cut chicken like this in thin and strip shapes. So first step, now we are going to marinate this chicken, but remember one thing, do not over marinate it. Just use basic marination. Salt, turmeric, pepper and soya sauce. Now keep aside for 10 or 15 minutes. Now we will roast this chicken. If you don't have a grill fry pan, you can use any what you have. And you can use oil, ghee or butter as per your choice. I'm using olive oil, but you can use ghee also or butter, whatever you want as per your choice. So this is the beautiful color what we needed. Now it's done. Keep aside.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get instant notifications of our new video upload.
We will move to next step. Onions, bell pepper, tasty tomatoes. Right, now we need a very important ingredient, orange juice, and we are going to use fresh orange for that. Orange juice. Honey. Little bit cheese. So ladies and gentlemen, your chicken madhosh is ready. Try this recipe. I hope you will love it. Stay safe, stay healthy, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe. Take care. Tasvidanya.